Basically, this temple is built I didn't know that. Hello everyone, welcome to another recipe video on my channel. Okay, so today I am going to show you a very healthy recipe today. So this is called a mixed vegetable, so let's get started. Half a cup of yellow capsicum, half a cup of red capsicum, half a cup of green capsicum, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 10 pieces of dry red chilies, 1½ onions, 1½ cups of lotus roots, 1½ cups of champignon mushrooms, and 1½ cups of diced chicken breast, 2 cups of cauliflower. So first we are going to start by sauteing onions and dried red chilies. So we are going to saute until they turn brown. So once they change in color, we are now going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and you gotta stir them until the raw smell disappears. Next, we are going to add the diced chicken breast pieces inside. So we just give it a good stir. So when the chicken pieces are almost done, you are now going to add the lotus roots to this. So this is a very healthy recipe. Next we are adding champignon mushrooms. And then it's time for the cauliflowers to go in. So you mix them all really well. For these are the vegetables that will take a bit of time to cook, so we are going to cook them covered, and once that's done we are now going to add some salt. Now we are going to add all the capsicums inside. Do they not look colorful? They look so pretty, and we are now going to mix all the colors. So cover and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes or until the veggies cook, and then you're now gonna give it a good stir. For garnishing, we are going to add some cilantros, and we are going to combine them really well. So our veggies are almost done and they look so pretty and yummy. So this is like really simple to make. I hope you guys can make this at home. So you guys can have this with rice or with chapati, roti, or you guys even can have it on its own. So this can also make a good salad for you guys, for those who are dieting or just want to keep it simple for a day. Then you guys can definitely go for this recipe. So here I am serving this on a plate, and look at that, voila! They look so gorgeous and I cannot wait to dig in. I hope you guys can try this recipe at home, and thank you so much for staying throughout the video. This is LadyBoss aka Suganya Praveen. Bye!
Here I actually got this sample